So hi guys, good evening. So prediction video, I was not in India. That's the reason the prediction video for 1 week it was not coming. So today, yeah, I'm just giving you the prediction video of tomorrow. What can happen in the market? Today is Gandhi Jayanti, so happy Gandhi Jayanti to everyone. So maybe tomorrow, and we have just 2 days for Bank Nifty expiry because now the expiry for Bank Nifty is on Wednesday. So be aware of that. So let's see what can happen. So technically I will tell you, and shankically what can happen I will let you know. So tomorrow is a one-liner CPR, as you can just see that. So Nifty made a one-liner CPR. So definitely nothing is going to happen. So until it breaks R1 or S1, I don't think, the Nifty is going to give you something. Okay, so maybe Nifty might, be a little bit lazy. But I think Bank Nifty can get crazy. That's what I feel because of one-liner CPR. So normally whenever it's a one-liner CPR, so remember guys, whenever it is a one-liner CPR like this, logic is very simple, कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. So one-liner CPR का meaning ये है, कुछ मिलेगा नहीं जब तक वो R1 या S1 को नहीं break करता. That's the logic of one-liner CPR. So अगर कल, if tomorrow the candle opens somewhere over here, got it? So this is your R1 and there's a major resistance according to me, that line which I marked. So if it doesn't break that, so yeah, it will just come back to the CPR and CPR can be broken because it's a one-liner CPR. तो उतना कुछ value नहीं रहेगा उसका. खाली ये हो सकता है कि कल मार्केट टेक्निकली मार्केट ऐसे ही रहेगा, रोएगा. एंड नाउ द प्रीमियम अपना विक इज हाई, जॉन विक इज अप, फिर भी अपना प्रीमियम डीके हो रहा है तो संभाल के ट्रेड करना. सो दिस व्हाट आई एम फीलिंग बिकॉज ऑफ वन लाइनर सीपीआर. टेक्निकली या बिकॉज ऑफ वन लाइनर सीपीआर दिस कैन हैपन इन द मार्केट टुमारो. And the first candle is very important. I'll be there in the market. So the first candle is opening somewhere over here. So definitely if it doesn't breaks, it will go back here. First target, second target. Same logic. अगर यहाँ पे open होता है, the candle is opening somewhere over here. If it doesn't break S1, first target, second target. That's all. So it's a basic simple CPR logic. Nothing special you have to use. So maybe pre-opening, if it's a gap up or gap down, we don't know. So कल 9:07 में मालूम पड़ेगा whether it's a gap up or gap down. And yeah, remember that. Maybe tomorrow the premium decay will be more because इतना बड़ा gap हो गया तो देखते हैं अभी premium decay मारता है कि नहीं. So that's what our Nifty baby is telling. One liner CPR है और little bit ascending is there. Okay. देखते हैं अभी BN baby क्या बोलता है, एक सेकेंड. So BN there is a ascending CPR. So BN there is a ascending CPR and you can say it's a narrow CPR. Or one liner though needs a narrow CPR, but tomorrow the logic is very simple. If the candle opens, okay, if the candle opens somewhere above this point, then yeah, the rally can happen. If the candle is opening below this point, a rally can happen. Got it? Because of this, it's a one liner, नहीं बोल सकते, narrow है. And the logic is ये दोनों बहुत close to each other है. That is previous day high line and R1 are very close to each other, and previous day low line and S1 is very close to each other. That's a scenario. ओके, दैट इज अ सिनेरियो कि हाँ भाई हो सकता है अच्छा मोमेंट अगर कैंडल R1 या S1 के ऊपर ओपन होता है, R1 के या S1 के नीचे, देन ओनली यू कैन सी द रैली इन द मार्केट. और एल्स इन दिस सिचुएशन व्हाट हैपेंस इज लाइक, normally what happens is like if it doesn't, the candle is opening somewhere over here, it will try to break. If it doesn't break, normally यहाँ पे टच करता है, नीचे टच करके वापस बाउंस बैक मार सकता है. So maybe previous day high line to previous day low line जा सकता है मार्केट. ओके, so this is what CPR का टेक्निकली आई हैव जस्ट सीन दैट. वो प्रीवियस डे हाई लाइन नहीं ब्रेक करेगा तो प्रीवियस डे लो लाइन जाता है, या तो प्रीवियस डे लो लाइन पे ओपन होता है तो इट विल ट्राई टू गो टू प्रीवियस डे हाई लाइन. दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस कंडीशन. एंड द कैंडल इज ओपनिंग अबव R1 या मे बी S1 के नीचे, देन यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ रैली इन द मार्केट. सो दिस आर लाइक टेक्निकली व्हाट द मार्केट इज टेलिंग यू. एंड यस, अगर ऊपर भागा तो 45 है चांसेस जाने का, और नीचे याद रखना ये वाला लाइन मे बी 44 343 के अगर नीचे ब्रेक किया देन सम गुड मैजिक कैन हैपन, और भाग गया तो सीधा 45 टच कर सकता है अपना बाजार. So that was a technically what can happen in the market, and Shanky will tell you what I feel in the market. So what I feel is like if it's open somewhere, ऐसा एक नीचे आना चाहिए, then like something like that, वापस नीचे आएगा, and then suddenly like so likewise something can happen. Okay, so maybe morning I'm thinking that maybe if it doesn't break some logics, because see, whether this diagram works or not, I don't know. For that, you have to just watch me in the live at 9:07 with the jail bar. Jail bar का logic और ये दोनों match करता है around 9:20 या 9:40 के बाद. Then yeah, it will happen. नहीं तो अपना market पागल है, कुछ भी करेगा. So maybe I'm expecting a sun pattern. So I'm expecting a sun pattern in the market with 2 humps. Sun pattern with 2 humps, you can see. मतलब ओनिडा का टीवी दिखता है. So ओनिडा pattern also you can tell. Yeah, it's a ओनिडा pattern. जिसको भी मालूम है ओनिडा टीवी का आता था. So I can call it as a Onida TV pattern. So according to me, tomorrow you can see Onida TV. So this is what I feel. But yes, follow the jail bar properly and then go ahead. And one more thing is like, it's been like 2 days I'm watching. You know, the wick was at 12.40. Okay, the wick was at 12.40. Premium भाग नहीं रहा है. Kaju also was giving 20-30 point. अब मालूम नहीं अभी gap up होता है gap down होता है I don't know. So कल मालूम पड़ेगा exactly 9-7 को and just I will be there with you. So don't worry. देखते हैं कल क्या होता है अपना बाजार. And थोड़ा moments के बाद मालूम पड़ जाएगा. But this is what I am expecting कि कल ऐसा हो सकता है. And yeah, do comment me and let me know. समझता है कि नहीं. You can learn the basic things of, you know, TPR over here. So that's all for the days, guys. And yes, maybe Black Panther भी सोया ही रहेगा अभी थोड़े दिन के लिए because the reason you know that छुट्टी है तो प्रीमियम डम मारेगा. That's all for the day. Bye guys. See you.